take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I believe that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I make a new sense, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of those chains, got me a war in my mind. Let that go away, can't keep what's holding me. Choose the right, what if you break up in front of me? Oh, I wait my whole favorites now. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good day, noise, always inside. Good day, my mind. Told me on my fears, my limitations are disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Got on my course to be alone. Way to kill the mood. Know you like that shit, keep good, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep the moves, this shit the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. On your bed, you don't care. Sometimes I make a new sense, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of those chains, got me a war in my mind. Let go, thinking he was holding me. To the right, but it will break up in front of me. Oh, I wear my own feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always on the inside. Good days in my mind. Good days, always on the inside. Good days in my mind. Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I believe that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I make a new sense, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of those chains, got me a war in my mind. Let that go away, can't keep what's holding me. Choose the right, what if you break up in front of me? Oh, I wear my own favorites now. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good day, noise, always inside. Good day, my mind. Told me on my fears, my limitations are disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Got on my course to be alone. Way to kill the mood. Know you like that shit, keep good, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep the moves, this shit the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. On your bed, you don't care. Sometimes I make a new sense, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of those chains, got me a war in my mind. Let go, thinking he was holding me. To the right, but it will break up in front of me. Oh, I wear my own favorites now. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always on the inside.
installing the wig, and I just want to give a little details about the unit itself. Let me get my phone. I was trying to curl it, but these new curlers that I got, I really don't like them because it pulls my hair and it makes it frizzy. So I got to figure out how I'm gonna use those curlers, but in the meantime I'm just gonna leave it straight, and then when I go out I'll probably curl it with my old curlers. If you guys want to see me style this unit, let me know in the comment box. I think I want to do some crimps in this hair. I'm not sure, but if y'all want to see that, then just let me know. But moving on, if y'all hear my son, it's bath time. That's why I'm trying to get this video done too, because it's time for me to put him in the bed. I did bleach the knots, and I did use a dark, what is called, it's the Adore Darkest Brown rinse. So I did like the water method, where I just dipped the hair in hot water, and the hair was already kind of dark. I don't know if it's a difference or not, but it seems like it's a little bit darker than what it was when it came out of the box. And I just gave me some whimsical baby hairs. I'm really feeling this baby hair style. As you guys can see by the title, this hair is from Yolova. This is like my third collab with them. I had a curly closure wig from them, and I had another wig, that highlighted wig I had from them. So this is my third collab with them. This is their body wave natural black human hair. The length is 24 inches, so it comes almost to my waist, which is pretty long. That's why I kind of want to put crimps in it, because I feel like it'd be so cute and it'll add volume to the hair. This density is 180. I feel like for the most part this hair is like nice. I feel like for the length, this density is good. 180 is kind of like my go-to. I will have the hair link below to this exact unit, so you guys don't have to search the website. And I also have a discount code, Anton, and you guys can get 20% off. Again, if you guys use my code Anton, which is going to be in the description box as well, you guys will save 20% off your unit. So I feel like y'all should really take advantage of that, because if you guys like switching it up like I do, then definitely go on the website, browse around. You guys can just pick from what you want. I'm trying to think of pros and cons of the unit itself. So pros and cons of the wig. I really like this unit, honestly. The knots bleached perfectly. The baby hairs are really nice. I feel like the hair is really soft. I don't know how well it's gonna curl, but like I said, I am gonna curl it, but I think I'm not gonna have any problem with it as long as I use like a hairspray. Plucking, I didn't do that much plucking because I'm really trying to stray away from over plucking my wigs. So I did pluck a little bit. I feel like the hairline that came with it is something that you guys can definitely work with if you're a beginner and you're installing wigs. One thing that I'm just nitpicking, and that's because it's just me, but it has a lot of flyaways, so that's why I end up using that Care stick. It's like a wax stick that basically help you tame your flyaways. That's the only thing that I kind of notice when I'm like hot combing and flat ironing the hair, but you could definitely tame it with some hairspray or your wax stick. But I really love this wig. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up so I can know what kind of content you guys want to see. I'm already feeling this unit. I'm ready to rock her for the weekend. I am going to keep this wig on for at least 3 or 4 days. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.